The wonderful thing about Tiggers, and Tiggers the wonderful thing, their tops are made out of rubber, their bottoms are made out of spring. There. Bouncy, trouncy, founcy, pouncy, fun, 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 fun. But the most wonderful thing about Tiggers is they're the Please pardon my brittle moment of personal levity. May I introduce to you my lady's new pet kitten, Grinder. She's adopted him for £3 per month. The charity call centre rather foolishly thought they could get away with sending her a tawdry, cuddly toy and what they laughingly described as regular cub dates. Blah! But she soon put them right. I am delighted to inform you that Grinder has settled into the Peacock Mansion life very well. And he goes everywhere with my ladyship, keeping his beady eyes on the remaining staff. Tiger, tiger, burning bright indeed. This is his portrait, posed in the second best motor car. A pompous predator if ever I saw one. I call him the tiger who came to high tea. I am sure, though, that it is entirely a coincidence that since Grinder arrived, my master has disappeared. Her ladyship is adamant that her beloved is simply socially distancing himself from her somewhere on the Côte d'Azur, probably in Menton, where he has family connections that go back to the times of Napoleon. The brandy, that is, not the pint-sized emperor. I have my doubts, particularly since Roger the Bootboy came across the lining of his lordship's best waistcoat and its mother-of-pearl buttons in Grinder's droppings. Of course, this household has long been famous for its voracious man-eater, but at least she gives them a decent brandy and a comfortable bed for the night. Sharing one's home with a wild animal can be rather difficult, but I have grown accustomed to her moods and foibles. I have learned to watch for her becoming, shall we say, inappropriately frisky and prowling expectantly in the darkest corners of the drawing room. When that happens, I have recourse to Mr. William Congreve's ageless axiom that music has charms to soothe a savage breast. So I find that when that happens, a little Mantovani on the gramophone and a tiny bottle or two of gin soon calms her down. But what to do with Grinder? Though how the hell do I communicate with that beast? My name is Grumbles, not Dr. Bloody Doolittle. Perhaps a gentle serenade might do the trick, though. And with a little bit of luck, I might solve 2 of my problems in one fell swoop. What's new, pussycat? Whoa, 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 whoa. What's new, pussycat? Whoa, 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 whoa. Pussycat, pussycat, I've got powers and lots of hours to spend with you. So go and sharpen your cute little pussycat teeth. Pussycat, pussycat, I love you. Yes, I do. You and your pussycat teeth. What's new, pussycat? Whoa, 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 whoa. What's new, pussycat? Whoa, 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 pussycat, pussycat, you're so thrilling, and I'm so willing to care for you. So go and give her your big little pussycat eyes. Pussycat, pussycat, I love you. Yes, I do. You and your pussycat eyes. What's new, pussycat? Whoa, 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 whoa. What's new, pussycat? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Pussycat, pussycat, there. She's delicious. And if my wishes can all come true, you'll soon be licking your sweet little pussycat lips. Pussycat, pussycat, I love you. Yes, I do. You and your pussycat lips. Whoa, 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 you and your pussycat snarl. Oh, whoa, 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 you and your pussycat bite.